coming face to face with one of nature's most powerful reptiles, the Komodo dragon. It may look slow, but when the perfect moment arrives, it strikes with incredible speed. Using razor-sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and immense strength, this giant predator can take down prey much larger than itself. Once the animal is too weak to escape, the Komodo dragon begins its meal. As the largest living lizard on Earth, it sits at the top of the food chain on Indonesia's islands, proving that in the wild, patience and power are the ultimate survival tools.